The garden starts with the planning. It can be done almost anywhere you have a free piece of land. If you have the opportunity to choose where to make your garden, think about this. What you plan to grow there. If you plan to grow plants which requires a lot of sun, choose a sunny area. If you plan to grow plants which needs more shade, pick more shady area. If you do not have a choice, work with what you have, but plan what you are gonna grow there accordingly. Also, pruning trees for more light or planting them for more shade is a good option. How much time can you spend in the garden daily? If you are not planning to spend much time in the garden, don't plan it big. Water source. Your garden will require watering every day, so plan your garden next to a water source or have in mind that you'll have to install one close by to make your life easier. Possible problems in the garden, like pollution, flooding of the area, chickens and others. If you think some of them will be significant problems and it cannot be avoided, plan your garden elsewhere or get ready to be very creative. Plan the beds to be the size you can easily reach without resting on your beds. It is very important not to put any weight on your beds so you do not compact the soil. Maximize the bed to part ratio, but don't make it too big and uncomfortable to reach. Use banana strings and sticks to mark the beds. If your land is flat, you can make any shape you wish. Use your imagination to make the most comfortable bed shapes. If your land is on a steep area, use a frame to find your land contour. Make the beds by the following contour of your land. In this way, you need to dig less soil to shape your beds. Loosening the soil is important for the plant roots to spread wide under and absorb moisture with nutrients. Usually, soil is compact and it is not good for growing your veggies. Soil needs air to breathe, so it is important to loosen it. It is necessary to loosen the soil for better water circulation under the ground. Do not flip the soil. Turning the soil exposes and damages microorganisms. Benefits of building swales. It allows better water absorption, protects soil from erosion. That means it does not allow to wash out the minerals from the topsoil. Allows you to control the water overflow. Dig the fourth swale behind the top bed. Dig connecting drainage path with the swales in the lower points. The top swale needs to be deepest. Assess the amount of water you expect. If you expect a lot of water, make the top swale around 2 feet deep. It will absorb the most of the water. The lower points of the swale don't need to be that deep. Make sure that the swales are leveled and the water does not run to one side or pool somewhere. When guiding the water out of your garden or to the reservoir, find the best way to direct the drainage path in the space you design. For example, don't make the drainage go through the middle of your property while it can't go close to the fence.